Power push. Elephants can shove rivals with 6-ton force. One strong hit can send the other sliding into water. Trunk balance. Even while falling, elephants use their trunks and legs to steady themselves. Power push. Male elephants sometimes fight using their heads and tusks to shove rivals away. One strong hit can knock the other off balance. Waterfall. Near rivers or ponds, a pushed elephant may slip and tumble into the water because muddy ground is very slippery. Quick recovery. Even after falling, elephants use their trunk like a snorkel and stand up fast. These giants are powerful and resilient.